Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys this super cute braid. I have done this tutorial on my TikTok and on my Instagram, but I think I moved a little bit fast sometimes, so steps may not have been completely clear, so I kind of want to show you guys a more slowed down version of how I get this braid. This braid requires a lot of elastics. I will have the ones that I use linked down below. It is a little bit more time consuming than the regular French braid, but I think it's so worth it. It is super cute and I hope you guys like it. If you guys want to see how I get this braid, please keep watching. So I'm just gonna chat while I do this, and I hope that my voice is clear enough. I'm just going to have all of my hair back, and I'm going to be taking a section of hair kind of at the crown of my head. So I'm not going to be taking it completely on the sides, just mostly at the crown. I'm gonna take a clear elastic and just tie it together. And I'm just going to pull out pieces to make it nice and voluminous. Then I'm just going to take hair a little bit more on the sides, but like a very thin amount. Stop right here and pull it back. Just kind of using my fingers to brush it through. And then again tie it with an elastic. I'm just going to poof it out to give it a little bit of volume, and I'm not making the hair loose from the elastic. You don't want to do that. You just want to add a little bit of volume at the back and on the sides a little bit. So I'm going to take another thin section and pull it back and tie it with another clear elastic. At this point, I'm going to gather pretty much half of my hair so that this thickness and this thickness are really similar. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think if you tried this hairstyle out. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!